Hi, can we click there, here, and here? It's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad.
Thanks, buddy. What are you going to show us today?
The claw machine in the Simpsons house.
Simpsons house? There's a Simpsons house?
Yes.
Is this it here?
Yes.
Oh, this is heavy. So this is what you guys got me for my birthday. We'll unbox it in a second, but let's play the claw machine.
This is the up button, and this is the over button, and this is the down button. Let's start.
There you go. That's Mrs. Krabappel right there. And there's Mrs. Krabappel. So we'll play with the claw machine a little bit more later on. Let's unbox this and show everybody exactly what we have. So this is the LEGO Simpsons House. It is LEGO set number 71006.
And right now we're gonna build it.
Yep, and it has 2,523 pieces. So let's go with the unboxing.
So this is bag number 7.
I gotta stand up a little bit more on this. What bag is that?
Nothing.
These are just the base pieces.
Number 6. Number 4. Number 3. Number 5. Number 1. Number 4. Number 5. Number 2. Number 7. Number 2. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 3. Number 1.
This goes on forever.
Number 7. Number 6. Number 7. And instructions.
Instructions, and what are these things?
The play set.
The stickers. So we have the stickers and the instructions there.
This is going to take forever, kid.
And a whole slew of bags here. Let's show you the back, and then we'll show you the finished product. So as you can see, when the house is fully built, you can open it up and expand it, and you have each of the different rooms, the family room, all the bedrooms. I believe there's a bathroom too, and even the Simpsons house and garage. So there's lots of fun to be had with this house. So we'll show you the finished product later. But for now, we gotta be building. So thanks for watching.
We finished the Simpson house.
How many days did it take to finish?
Maybe 7?
Close. Took us 3 days, about 12 hours. But this is it. We have on the outside, we'll give you a tour.
And the 3 sausages in 1 pan and 1 sausage cooker.
Also known as a barbecue. And then here we have 2 lawn chairs, and it came with Ned, and says hail to the chief on him.
Yeah, and we have a wheelbarrow, and it has 2 flowers in it. We have this, and we don't know where the mail is.
So that's a mailbox.
Yeah, like this.
And then we have some of the
like
figures
this.
that are right here. We have Bart, Marge with her vacuum. Here's Lisa with a backpack. And Maggie. We also have Homer. And Homer is actually in here. Oh, there goes Millhouse. So there's Homer driving in his stylish pink car. And the El Barto spray painted ramp that also came with the set. This Bart doesn't come with the set. It's a it's a Series 2 figure, but the skateboard does come with the set. As you can see from the outside of the house, the car is situated in the garage, and the garage door opens and closes. Here's the antenna up here, the front interior of the house, and the roof, which actually comes off. So, do you want to help me with the roof?
Yes.
Which one are we taking off first?
This one.
That's a little one that they can't see. So here is the front. That's very easy to assemble the roof.
And this is Maggie's crib. I don't know if you see.
Hold on, let's go with the garage first.
Oh my God, Maggie dropped.
So the garage actually does come apart. And if you see, there is an entrance into the living room and an entrance into the garage. And here's an aerial view
Getting out, and he's going
of the garage.
to the garage.
You can see there's toolbox there that says Property of Ned Flanders, couple workbenches, and tools and spray paint in the garage as well. There's more than enough room in there to fit the vehicle and a couple other items. And this is the front exterior of the house, which we've seen all too many times in the Simpsons episodes. On the side we have the chimney. And then the backyard, or the back of the house. There's not too much detail in the back, but there is an entrance into the kitchen. And this side you don't see too often because the garage is attached to it, but I did take it off for the video. Here's the air condition, and it also says Property of Ned Flanders on the air condition somewhere on the side there.
Oh, Daddy, look.
Okay, go ahead and let everybody see the inside.
Okay. See the inside?
So it does open up.
Yeah. And right here is where the forks and spoons are. That's where the forks and spoons are. And this is where the bathroom is. We didn't show you.
And there you can see the living room here.
Dad.
With the famous TV.
Daddy, I broke the piano. No. Right here. We don't see the piano.
And here is half of the kitchen when it opens up. And then obviously the other half of the kitchen here with the kitchen table. I'm not sure where the chairs have gone. A lot of things have shifted around. And the other half of the living room, which also has the grand piano.
I found the mail. It was inside the Simpson house.
And then up here is half of Lisa Simpson's room. The other half is over here. In the item that gets taken off.
That was cough. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Have a great day. Bye.